Hey, we are outside and today we are going to make cowboy stir fry. You might ask what that is, but I'm gonna tell you. It's a lot of vegetables, it's a lot of sausage. We're gonna cook it on the Blackstone. But before we do, we gotta cut it up. And I was given this. Now this right here is a knife set. Look at that. When you roll it out and look at everything that they got, this is nice. Not only that, but it comes with your own knife care deal. And for those who like to drink a little bit when they work, it comes with a beer opener and a wine cork opener. So now we're gonna just take out one of these knives so that we can talk about it a little bit. And as you can see, this is if you pull back up on me, you can see this is a Damascus style knife. So we're gonna get it out here and you can see, boom, boom, boom. It just absolutely goes through this like it's butter. And we're gonna put it right up here like this. Boom, boom, boom. Don't even need to try to even pull it. So if you are going to do a outdoor cooking, whether you want to give somebody who doesn't cook, like a chef, your brother, your dad, in-laws, outlaws, doesn't matter. You want to get them a knife? Get them this set.